In favor of Florida's 6-week abortion ban say it will save the lives of thousands of babies. However, some organizations say it will create a public health crisis when it takes effect in just a few weeks. News Channel 8's Melissa Marino joins us now live from the Tampa News Center with the story. Melissa.
Jen, in about 3 weeks, Florida's 6-week abortion ban will go into effect. Advocates say this will protect babies who have a heartbeat. Abortion providers, though, they warn this will dramatically limit access. They say they are preparing to help women find other options. Medical providers are preparing for Florida's 6-week abortion ban to take effect on May 1st.
It's going to be a public health crisis.
Laura Goodhue with Florida Planned Parenthood says the ban will dramatically limit abortion access.
Unfortunately, there's still going to be a lot of people that will need abortion care after 6 weeks, which is before most people even know that they're pregnant.
Florida House Speaker Paul Renner calling the 6-week ban a compromise.
We begin when a child has a heartbeat. And then we also have broad exceptions for rape, incest, human trafficking, the life of the mother, fetal abnormalities. And so it is a compromise that addresses where I think many Floridians are.
Florida's policy has national impact. Women currently come here for abortions because the existing 15-week ban is actually less restrictive than policies in neighboring states.
In 2023, around 9,000 people traveled from out of state to Florida for abortion care.
But when the new law does take effect, that trend is expected to reverse. Isaac Matto-Zimmet, a data scientist with Guttmacher Institute, is the lead researcher on a study that tracks the number of abortions monthly in each state, as well as the number of people traveling across state lines.
Once the ban does go into effect, providers have to scramble in order to be able to scale up to provide care to a lot more people within a much narrower window.
Clinics like Planned Parenthood say they plan to follow the law. Their focus will be helping women find options in other less restrictive states like North Carolina and Virginia.
6 weeks, we're going to, do that same type of patient navigation with travel funds, but it's not going to be easy.
A less restrictive abortion measure will be on the November ballot, limiting abortion before viability or before a pregnancy can survive outside of the womb. If voters pass that measure, Planned Parenthood tells me it would go into place that January. Live in the Tampa News Center, I'm Melissa Marino, 8 on your side.